What's up, fellow Sambarians? So I'm here at Special K's. We got outlet here, and Scott coming back eventually. We're going to be putting the lift on the sandbars. I haven't seen a whole lot of videos with guys showing lifting, actually lowering either. I mean, we got the video of us lowering it, but anyways, we're gonna lift his truck. It's kind of too low, and it's good because he's gonna let me take these white springs, put them on my truck with the Greddies, so then I can compare the Greddy lowering springs to the white Zoom down springs and see which one is a better buy. So that's cool. I get to use his old lowering springs, but we're gonna put the lift springs on it, and we're gonna put these bad boys on. What are those? They called up springs. We're gonna just call them up springs.
Lift up.
Lift ups. So we're gonna do the 1.5 inch lift up springs, and we're gonna show you how it's done on outlet. Plus we got these sick freaking white Sparcos with these nasty dog tires.
It's the only reason we're lifting it, because I'm tired of looking at the tires.
Yeah, I'm tired of looking at those tires. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, Scott's got his own project going on now. Suspension. Lift springs are in. If you got sway bars, obviously disconnect your sway bar to let this fully droop. But these suckers are pretty stiff, so definitely need a set of spring compressors handy. So these are all bolted in. We're actually gonna do his brake pads real quick because they're pretty shot. And then we'll move to the back. That's a face of determination right there.
It's a state of confusion, dude. No determination. I am confused.
But fronts are done. So
We'll have to look at this at another time.
here, put the wheel on, Scoot. Let's see what it looks like.
You want me to torque them real quick, or do you want to
Nah, just put them on there. Let's just see it. Show the world. What are you looking for?
with proper nuts, please? What'd you do with it?
The wheel? MKT Japan right here. Well, 500 yen shop. Right?
Yep.
Look at these things.
Best looking 20-year-old wheel I've ever seen.
Dang. Let's get back. Dude, this gives me blue truck vibes. Looks just like the blue truck, except white.
It's white.
It's pre-wrap. Pre-wrapped look like this minus the round headlights, obviously. But yeah, man, that looks sick. Cool. It's gonna look good. Okay. New brake pads installed. Here are the old ones. Just a little bit of meat left. Wheels torqued up, mounted up over here. That's a sexy wheel.
Suck my pen.
All right, we're just kidding, everybody. We're going with that Carolina squat. That's not bad.
Dude, let's just put the stock spring in the back. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Give it a little squat, a little trophy truck squat. I mean, stadium truck squat.
There you go.
So we got that's poking just, I mean, there's a little bit of poke. Take it out front real quick, see how it feels.
I'm just trying to get all my loose parts picked up.
Belly flop.
I feel like it's on jack stands after all the time fucking getting in it low.
It's gonna blow it out and we're gonna see what it looks like. We might just end up running the stock spring in the back. We'll see what it looks like. It looks pretty cool with those wide wheels though. Pull this baby out! Whoa. Ah, sound of new rubber. That thing is lifted. Oh, that's hilarious. Interesting, the front is a little towed. I mean, camber's off a little bit. I don't know if my camber's off on mine. It's got like the 2-inch spacers. It ain't a little Sambar anymore. She's lifted and big. All the hate we're gonna get. That's pretty cool looking, actually. Dude, that is sick. That's cool looking, man.
It might be a little excessive.
Well, once you put the stock spring in it, it might not be too bad.
I don't like the positive, but hopefully that'll wear in a little bit once the springs take us.
Okay. We're gonna go with the stock springs after all, instead of the lift springs. So then we get more of a level, sit, right, Scott?
Yeah, instead of ass high.
Yeah. So we
We all
don't.
know who puts their ass high.
Whoa. Who, Scott? You for money?
Only when I need it.
So yeah, we're getting rid of the stink bug look, and we're gonna just kind of, it should level it out for the most part. So stock springs back in, 1.5 inch lift up springs up front. Did you get this wheel? No, not yet.
I need the torque right.
And yeah, I'm going to take the white springs like I said earlier, test them out, and I'll be able to say, you know, Gretties or the white Zooms are going to be the better fit. But I'm thinking from Scott's experience, the white are a lot softer.
Everything's soft for me.
So
$299.9, bro.
299.9. What is that? Your credit score?
I wish.
Yeah, 299.9. That's terrible. I only think dead people have a 299.
Then I wouldn't be out of money.
That's true.
Nobody would lend me any.
So we're putting a 1/2 inch spacer,
3/4.
3/4 inch spacer all the way around. So it's a little bit of a poke, about an inch or so maybe, a poke. But you have to on those tires because they're a little bit wider than the forciums. But just as knobby. Oh. Back this mother out. Mother brother out. Today Scott switched teams. Went from lowered life to lifted life. Man, that's like perfect level. Yeah, use the lift springs up front, stock springs in the back. If you want that level look, that's about perfect. Plus it's easier. Woo! Tire to spin now, that's for sure. So the moral of the story is you don't need lift springs in the back. You basically just need stock springs and lift springs up front, and it'll give you a level lift, and you'll be able to fit the bigger tires. Looks tough, looks pretty level. What do you think?
I think that's the setup. Leave your stock springs in the rear that way you won't lose an axle. 1.5 in the front, dialed.
I mean, it's just a little bit, looks a little bit taller.
But still gonna set it down a little bit.
Yeah. Looks good. Okay. Up springs, 1.5 ups front, ups on the ups front, stockies in the back. Pretty good. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Say goodbye, Scott.
Goodbye, Scott.
See you guys on the next one.